Hi everyone, so I thought I would do a nursery tour of Robin's nursery. He's not actually in here at the moment because he's still in with me. He's nearly 6 months old, so he will be coming in here soon when I decide. I don't know when I'm going to do it. I feel like I want him by me. But yeah, I'll get on with it and I'll show you all of his bits. So this room is actually the smallest room in the house. It's the little box room, but when you come in, he's got a little cloud up here which was made by the thecopperotter. So I will link her down below. And then he has a really big wardrobe from IKEA. So this is the packs, which is mirrored, so it's nice because I can do like, well, I can see myself and it's got really good lighting in here. And we just basically have all of his stuff. So in here is, I tended to keep like boxes of clothes. So at the moment he's in 3 to 6 and he is nearly 6 months old. He's quite small, so at the beginning I used to have like, keep his newborn stuff in the what they called drawers, and then up here I'd have like 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12 in different boxes. And obviously now I've just been going through and chucking, well, not chucking out, but storing away his old clothes. So I have a few things hanging up, and then some toys in there, some books in there, his bath, and then in here is his clothes. Now this is really messy. So this is his 3 to 6 clothes, but he's pretty much coming out of these, so yeah, ignore that. But I did do this one yesterday, so this is his 6 to 9. So he's got all sorts. He's got his vests, his sleep suits, jumpers, tops, more vests, swimming stuff, leggings and trousers. These are all blankets, sleeping bags and towels and muslins, and these are just all like random bits in here that I've put. But I thought I would get a proper wardrobe rather than a baby wardrobe because it's just silly, like they're going to grow out of it, and this holds a lot of stuff and he can grow with it. And then over here is his shelf. So the shelf is from IKEA, so most of his stuff is from IKEA. So his wardrobe's IKEA, the bedside table's from IKEA, the shelves are from IKEA, but the cot is from John Lewis. But anyway, so on his shelves he's got a little Jellycat owl, a little Jellycat bunny. That's from Primark, but it has like the colours. He's got personalised Robin prints. The frames are IKEA. A little Robin print again. Another Jellycat bunny, but it's got his foot on when he was 8 weeks old. We've got a little pottery shop where you can go and do your kids' feet, hands, all that kind of stuff. And then I made him this, which is a pom-pom mobile. I saw this on Etsy and they were super expensive, and I thought, you know what, I can make this. Super cute. And it's got his like colours of the room in. And then on here I got a lamp which was from Homesense. This little bear Nightlight, I think it turns on. Does it turn on? I can't even remember. That was from Aldi. His piggy bank. So he's got little pennies in there, and then a little beautiful baby boy sign. What we actually do with money is that when me and Mark ever have any change in our purse, which is like 50p or less, we'll put it in his piggy bank, and basically, like, you know, he saves quite a lot of money over a period of time. And then over here we've got a Groegg. It says 15.3, so it's actually quite cold in here at the moment. He's not actually in here. He's actually out with his dad at the moment. But we would obviously put the heating on in here when he comes. Then we've got a couple of cushions. Obviously, again, these will come out when he comes in here because not supposed to have anything in the crib, I know. Spanky bear. So I had one of these when I was born, and I absolutely loved him to death. He was my favourite teddy. So Mark actually bought this for me. It's a vintage Spanky, but I'm going to give it to Robin because I love my Spanky. And then this is what my auntie actually made him when he was born, which is a crochet blanket, and it's just amazing. It's got all different animals on it and I love it so much. I get so many questions on it on Instagram. So there's that. And then up here I have another print which has all of his details, when he was born, the time of day, all that kind of stuff. A little robin bird, two little crocheted shoes which were elephants, and then a book, a little personalised book, and then a robin train, and then an octopus and a giraffe, and a little robot clock. So that's what that looks like. And then he's just got his wash bin for all of his stuff, and another little blanket. And yeah, so this is his room. It's so cute. I really love it.